Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering a topic that can make or break your deal, the negotiating repairs after a home inspection. What you should ask for, how can you ensure the negotiation goes smoothly? Let's dive in. The home inspection is a crucial step in the home buying process. It uncovers any potential issues with the property that you might not have noticed during your initial walkthrough. This could range from minor cosmetic issues to major structural or safety concerns. Some common inspection findings include things like roofing problems, plumbing leaks, electrical issues or HVAC concerns, or foundation issues. Not every issue will be worth negotiating, but there are certain flags that will warrant a deeper discussion with the seller. So how do you decide repairs to ask for? Here are a few guidelines. Focus on safety and structural issues. If there are major problems with the foundation, electrical system, the roof, those are definitely worth addressing. Big ticket items like HVAC, plumbing, or major appliances that are near the end of their life should be considered in the negotiations. Cosmetic items that are usually not worth negotiating unless they're tied to a bigger underlying issue. Remember, the seller isn't responsible for upgrading the home's appearance. When it comes to negotiating repairs, you got a few options. Number one, ask the seller to make repairs. This can be risky if you're not sure about the quality of the work. Number two, negotiate the price reduction. This allows you to handle the repairs yourself after closing. And number three, ask the seller for credits. This can go towards the closing costs and give you funds to address the repairs on your own terms. Seller credits are often a good middle ground for this negotiation process. When making a request, be specific. Provide a copy of the inspection report, highlight the issues you'd like addressed. It's also helpful to get a professional estimate for the repairs so both you and the seller understand the costs involved. Be reasonable with your request, focusing on the most critical issues, and remember, it's all about keeping that deal moving forward. Your real estate agent plays a crucial role in these negotiations. They'll help you prioritize what's important and craft a reasonable request that doesn't jeopardize the deal. I'm more than happy to help with the real estate aspect of the transaction. The goal is to find a solution that works for both parties and keeps the transaction on track. So what happens if the seller doesn't want to make repairs or offer credits? In some cases, the seller may be unwilling to negotiate, especially in the seller's market. At this point, you'll have to decide whether you're comfortable proceeding with the purchase as is, or is it a deal breaker for you. Always weigh the costs of repairs against the overall cost and value of the home. Negotiating repairs after an inspection can feel a bit tricky, but with the right approach, you can get the deal back on track while protecting your investment and interests. If you're buying or selling a house in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, feel free to reach out to me, Robert Eddy of Robert Eddy Real Estate Group, for expert advice. Always don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tips. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.